How to delete a playlist on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. First of all, open up the YouTube application. After that, open up the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then, from your account, tap to view all options. And you can see the different playlists from here. Now tap on the playlist and go into it. Then, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. After that, you will find the Delete Playlist, Watch on TV, Help, and Feedback options in here. Now choose the Delete Playlist option from here. Tap on the Delete option to permanently delete the playlist. Also, check out our video on how to change YouTube username on PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.